Hello guys. So for today's video, we got how to get some Roblox free. This is free. And then please search 2022 EICELE and then check 2022 like that, and then send search, and then waiting, please wait, and then click that thing, that, yes, that, and then that, and then waiting, please wait. So after few minutes, and then view full profile, tap that, and then wait please. So after few minute moment, then follow as follow, and then okay, and then go on your bank account on Roblox. Actually, Roblox account. Wait, please wait. So here's the permission. Click your Roblox, and I got it. Oh my god, this is. Oh wait. This is real. Oh my god. So follow if you want Roblox, but she's giving me 16. She's so poor. Sure. I'm joking. I'm kidding. Oh my god, I got 16 Robux. Ah! Oh my god. Thank you for watching.